Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm TearaShanice. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please don't hesitate and do that now. Today's video is brought to you by Beautyforever hair. This is all the items that came in the packaging. Today I received a honey blonde kinky straight wig from Beautyforever hair. This is a 24-inch kinky straight 13x4 frontal wig. So this wig is a ready to go wig. I did not have to bleach the knots on this wig at all. I did just go back and just pluck a little bit of this wig, but this is how it looks straight out of the box. So I did not do any plucking in this portion of the video, but later on I do.
You got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
So of course I install all my wigs with Erica J glue. I do just use about 2 or 3 layers of this glue and just use one of my toothpicks and just smooth everything out just in a thin layer. I'm not going to go through all the steps because everything is just repetitive, but I do want to mention about the wig caps. Beautyforever does send you HD wig caps. I absolutely love these wig caps. They are just simply seamless. You don't have to add any foundation to it. It just melts perfectly into your skin.
Ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, put your sweats on.
With this frontal wig, it's very easy to install. I do just take the elastic band that's on the inside of the wig and just hook it to the back of my nape area and just pull the rest of the wig over. Now, I do want to say this wig fits perfectly. I would advise that this wig could be worn glueless because that's how good this wig fits. You don't necessarily have to install it with an adhesive. You can just install it with any kind of hairspray for that glueless look. This wig, again, fits perfectly. I like how much room and space is inside the wig. It doesn't feel as tight, or it doesn't necessarily feel tight at all. I didn't adjust the straps in the back because it fits perfectly. If I wanted it tighter, I could adjust the straps in the back, but I didn't because I didn't want nothing just really squeezing my head. I just wanted to show y'all exactly how good this fits on my head. It's almost like a perfect fit. So the lace on this wig is really good. It comes as a transparent lace, but it's almost HD. I just cut the wig. I didn't even apply any makeup to it in this portion of this video. Look how it just basically blends very well with my complexion. I love the lace. The lace is thin. It's not thick. So even if you just cut the lace off, you wouldn't even tell that it's not even glued down.
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, say our time, we're making up time. The time you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I need to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We've had it, that's on it.
Capping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water. Got see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm till a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family, they run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. Sitting there on a plane, going straight them in a team. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Pouring up a paint while I'm bagging propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my Lou with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, Lou with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, take a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Fendi couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cabin like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Bad bitch, if she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry fago. Falls go and we straight to the smart shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, I'm coming straight. Bad bitch, if she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry fago. Falls go and we straight to the smart shit. 2 small bands just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, I'm coming straight. I'm with my niggas, yeah. We some rock stars, and I'm with my niggas, yeah. Can't walk hard, this not my dick, little bitch, my Glock hard. Straight to the cash. I'm a shot star, straight to the bag. I'm that nigga, got me some cash. Rolling out some cash. Yeah, got me some. I ain't forcing you.
So I did just straighten this wig out. Again, this is Kinky Straight, 24 inches. I'm not sure exactly what the density is, but this wig is very, very full. It's actually one of the fullest wigs I had before. I actually had a couple of Kinky Straight wigs before, but honestly, this is the fullest. This is the 24 inch. Now, I didn't really run through it with my flat iron a lot, just enough where it can be a little silky. With it being so full, you can't tell if it's like really silky because it's so thick. This was a lot of hair. It didn't really take me too long to straighten it all out. I do want to mention that this wig does also hold heat very well. I didn't have trouble curling this wig, and I didn't have troubles with straightening it out. It did just straighten perfectly and with no issue.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride. some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever.
And with this wig being completely straight, I also did not do any baby hairs because it is kinky straight, so I was going for a natural look. These are some other styles that I did with this wig. Hope y'all enjoyed this video and thank y'all for watching.